Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Twin Talk English, the place where we learn, grow, and speak English together. In today's episode, I'm going to share something very personal, my journey of learning how to speak English. If you feel shy, nervous, or afraid to speak in English, this episode is for you. Let's talk, learn, and grow together. When I started learning English, I was scared. I didn't know many words. My grammar was not good. And my accent? It was very different. Sometimes people didn't understand me. I felt embarrassed. But I told myself, don't give up. Keep going. I started with small steps. Just like a baby learning to walk, I fell many times. I made mistakes. Sometimes people corrected me. Sometimes they smiled. But I kept learning. I repeated words. I listened to English songs. And I practiced every day. Maybe you also feel nervous when speaking English. You worry about your grammar, your accent, or people laughing at you. I understand. I felt that too. But here's what I learned: mistakes are not bad. They are your teachers. Every time you say the wrong word, you learn the right one next time. Every mistake is a step forward. Think of speaking English like learning to ride a bicycle. At first, you fall. But then, slowly, you ride faster. Soon, you forget you were ever afraid. One of the best ways to improve is to speak every day. Talk to yourself in English. Say what you are doing. I'm brushing my teeth. I'm cooking dinner. I'm going to the store. Simple sentences like these help your brain think in English. Read aloud. When you read books, news, or even social media posts in English, read them aloud. You're training your mouth, your ears, and your confidence. I used to talk to myself in front of the mirror. I know it sounds silly, but it worked. I asked myself questions like, "How was your day?" and answered them. Listening is another powerful tool. When you listen to native speakers in movies, podcasts, YouTube videos, you hear how they speak. You hear real pronunciation, real expressions, real speed. At first, it might feel fast, but your ears will adjust. Try this. Watch a short English video every day. First, with subtitles, then without. Repeat phrases you like. Copy the tone. Copy the rhythm. You're not just learning words, you're learning the music of English. Let me share a short story. When I first traveled abroad, I stayed in a hotel. The receptionist asked, "Would you like a wake-up call?" I was confused. A wake-up call? Did she mean a life warning? Later I learned, it just means the hotel will call you in the morning to wake you up. These small expressions confused me a lot. Touch base. Grab a bite. Wrap it up. They're not in textbooks, but they are in real life. So I started keeping a notebook. Every time I heard a new phrase, I wrote it down. I learned its meaning. I used it in my own sentences. Slowly, I sounded more natural. Confidence is not something you have from the start. You build it. How? By practicing, by failing, and by trying again. Some days, you will feel tired. You'll feel like giving up. That's okay. Take a break. But don't stop. Speak again tomorrow. Set small goals. Learn 5 new words a day. Practice speaking for 5 minutes. Every small step counts. One day, you'll look back and say, "Wow, I've come so far." Learning to speak English is a journey. It's not about being perfect. It's about being brave. So, my friends, don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait to feel ready. Just start. Speak. Make mistakes. Learn. And grow. You're not alone. We're all learning together. And I believe in you. You can do this. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Twin Talk English. If this helped you, share it with a friend who's learning too. Until next time, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep speaking English.